Get ready for bacon explosion.
Man, you can put more than that.
Can you put some of this?
No.
Can I put some more of this?
We'll put it on the outside. That's fine.
You got it, Leon? You didn't pick that up. You didn't pick this up?
No, not yet.
Oh.
You want to help? Have to help. Go. For some reason, it's not working because then
You gotta pick
it's not
this
playing.
up.
No.
No.
You have to roll the sausage first.
Here, I'll take the middle.
I'll try separating it from the bacon because. Yeah. Keep going. Yeah. Very nice. Pretty good.
Is it rip? Is it ripping?
Yeah, okay. Keep going. Wait. Stop. Go this side. Keep going. Yeah, keep going.
It's moving.
Keep going. That's what we're doing. Wait. Yeah. Separating first. Okay. Keep going. Yeah. Alright, just wait. Almost there, right? Wait.
Oh, sick shit.
Yeah. Now let's try to seal it up here. And now we roll it. Wait. Dude, this feels really gay. 2 guys, 1 sausage. Oh,
That's sick.
that's. There. So now it's pretty much finished. Oh, that looks good. It's still bubbling inside. I just turned it off a while ago. It smells so good. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes.
Where's the Cheeto?
I don't know. Hey guys, where's the Cheeto? I don't know. Let me cut it first. Yeah, let me cut it for you guys.
Oh, it actually looks so good. Yes, it does. Looks so bad in the movie.
Oh, look, all that grease just like
Yes.
flowing.
Did you let it
I love the grease.
warm?
Yeah, but that's just the grease. I think you get the grease, right?
I'm trying to eat it.
Why does the
will.
grease
Eat
look
it.
so good? I will. Okay,
We should serve this at dim sum.
I call this half. Yes.
Wait, take that. Wait, give me the
take the whole
picture.
thing. I'll just take the whole thing, guys. Don't worry about it.
No, video. Get that. Who wants to eat it first?
I do. I call it.
I can next.
Call it.
No, grab this plate. These plates.
Here.
Kyle, here.
Who needs forks?
Kyle, here. Who needs fork when they have fingers?
Are you sure?
Okay, I'm gonna win for you.
Wait, record them eating it after. Just so they make.
Alright, Leon. I'll do that.
Okay, I'll wait.
Is there a Cheeto in there?
Okay, when you guys are in the hospital, tell me.
Video.
Then I'll eat it. Or I won't.
Oh my god, it's so juicy.
I think I just bit grease. It's epic.
Oh, you're actually so good.
Come on, Calvin.
You go away.
I would have a bigger piece, man.
Yeah.
Here, put it so you can tell me out there too. There's still some in my mouth. Yo, fill me out, too.
Leon, deep throat it.
I'm trying.
Deep throat it. Do it.
Lick it. Lick it like a pussy.
Just made a piece of this in
The last time I ate out, there weren't no Brussels sprouts. A pile of fatty bacon, that is what I'm all about. I'll stuff you in my face, it ain't no big disgrace. And you know I won't even try to cut the fat off.